Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it is time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Tom。
I hate Joseph Ling. And here at ICRT, we love doing the Hakka lesson on the air because we want people to have a chance to learn the language Hakka a little bit better. And actually, some locals even say that it's a chance for them to learn a little bit of English. 三语, it's trilingual right here, what we're talking about. Anyways, the reason I want to say this is because in a recent report that was done in Canada, and in this research, they found that if a person is bilingual, the risk of getting Alzheimer's disease is pushed back a total of 4 years on average. So this means being bilingual does something to the brain. 其实呢，会两种语言以上的这个朋友们呢，真的对大脑啊是有某种激荡，也会造成这个老人痴呆症呢可以晚个4年哦。
哦，一样哦。
Yeah. So this is good. So Alice, you and me, we're safe. Because 我们至少会3个了。But we're here to teach some terms. So 老人痴呆症，也就是 Alzheimer's disease. How do you say that?
老人痴呆症。
哇，好难念哦。老人 that's the elderly.
痴呆症。
痴呆症 OK 老人痴呆症
嘿
哦，光是讲这个我就要生命少掉4年了。That was really hard. Okay. That's 老人痴呆症 Alzheimer's disease. A language 语言拟言 OK. 那 what if you know 2种语言呢？双语
2种拟言
2种拟言。那如果3种呢
？3种拟言
3种拟言啊，4种就是4种拟言，以此类推嘛啊。How many languages do you know?
我做得慢半年。
哈，慢你你老人痴呆是可以慢半
年
哦，8年
半年
哦，我以为你只会半个 language， 所以说会变慢半年，很奇怪。
那么好搞吧？
这样表示你蛮谦虚的，你没有很流利，只是懂一半啊。
那是我说
开玩笑哦，8年 OK. She thinks the risk of Alice thinks the risk of having Alzheimer's disease for her is extended another 8 years because 为什么呢？
因为客家话啊、國語啊、河洛話啊、英文啊、日文啊，
那5種，那表示不止8年了啦。
廣東話，
老人痴呆症要16年後才會得到了，太好了，恭喜 Alice Peng。
跟你呢
？All right， 我們不要再哈哈了。That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day。
是我大家。
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.